Hi, Luxe fam. It has definitely been a season. It feels like forever since I sat down in front of the camera to talk to you all. And so, from expanding my warehouse to navigating the astronomical growth of our business and balancing life in between, I just feel like it's time to sit down and do a full life update. I want to take you behind the scenes. I want to share with you some of the wins, some of the losses, some of the things that turned out perfectly and some of the things that turned out not so perfectly, and just kind of bring you along my journey and catch you up to where we are right now. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. I like to share how to create a beautiful life, business, and events without breaking the bank. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's catch up. Okay, so where do I start? This has been quite an amazing summer. I have been featured in three major publications across the United States. The first one being the Parade of Homes. I was so super excited to be featured in their article about dorm rooms. The second one was I did a live radio interview for NPR Here and Now. And of course, that was an amazing opportunity. And most recently, I was featured in the Washington Post, and it was all about dorm rooms. And you guys know that that is a subject that is near and dear to my heart. So I will leave the link to all three of these down in the description box below so that you can check them out. But I think it's the perfect place to caveat into what I've been doing in the dorm space. So this year, um, I decided to use a lot of the items that I had purchased last year for 90% off from Hobby Lobby. Decided to use those things this year and bless a lot of college students that may not have the means or that just are deserving of a dorm room makeover. And so here are a few of the makeovers that I did for college freshmen this year. This room transformation was truly special. I pulled together everything using items I'd already had in my inventory, and it turned out so cute for a very deserving college freshman. Now her color palette came together beautifully. It was pink, gray, white, and black. And here's the amazing part. She never requested those colors, but they just so happened to be her favorites. Isn't it just like God to orchestrate even the smallest details and desires of our hearts? I even had some sisters come alongside me, and together we were able to bless this student in a very meaningful way. Seeing her joy and excitement reminded me that when we give from our hearts, God multiplies it in ways that we could never imagine. This was more than just a room makeover. It was a reminder of his perfect timing and his care in all things. So tell me of a small detail that God answered or provided for in your life that just truly blew you away. I would love to read them down in the comments. I think they would be so encouraging and so inspiring for others. Okay, and here is the room makeover that I did for Kimura. The layout was really tight when we got into the room, so we kind of expanded the room by putting the desks beside each other's and the beds on the opposite walls, and I absolutely love the way that it turns out, and the colors were so bright and so cheery. And speaking of college freshmen, my niece Kina is now a junior. Oh my goodness, I can remember when we did this viral video for her dorm room. It actually went, I mean, it went very viral. We had over 1 million views, and now Kina is entering into her junior year. And I realized that through all of this, I forgot to share her sophomore year dorm room. But the great part is the room looks the same. She's using the exact same items from last year, this year. So let me give you a peek into her sophomore/junior year dorm room. just been overwhelmed with how I've been able to manage this schedule. It has literally been the grace of God. You guys know I go live on Amazon every Tuesday and Thursday. I have also been moving in our brand new 2,000 square foot warehouse with it's 1,800 square foot of storage space and then about 200 square feet of like office space, and it's been incredible. And I've been taking you guys along that journey, but I've also still been doing events, you guys. So here are a few events that I have done this summer that I probably haven't had the opportunity to share, but I'm going to let you guys vote down below to let me know which one you would like to see more in depth.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right.
Corporate events to birthday parties to weddings, we've been doing it all. So it has just been just like a whirlwind of a summer, and we are doing our best to catch our breath and to continue to deliver the beautiful budget-friendly weddings and events that we have been known for. And finally, the hubby and I have been making some major changes on the home front. I have some exciting news to be sharing with you guys really soon, but you know me, we don't like to put the cart before the horse, so just keep a pin in that. He has switched shifts, and we've also been changing a lot in our lifestyle. We've been juicing and just kind of taking better care of ourselves and better care of our health. And I've just been really excited about the progress that we have both been seeing in our bodies and with our health. So it has definitely been a blessing. And I also, a couple of Sundays ago, co-taught a sermon with him. And so that was just very different for me, but I am welcoming whatever God has for me to do in this season. And I ask for you all to continue to pray with me as I move forth in God. Last but certainly not least, oh my gosh, we have so many big things coming up in the month of September and October. Our app is finally going to drop at the end of this month. So I will leave a link down below for you all to get on the wait list for the app. In addition to that, I am going to be doing one of my biggest corporate events ever. And so I'm going to open that opportunity up for you Luxe students. So be checking your emails tonight and in the morning. For those of you who have already gone through Luxe Academy, this is a course that you can come and shadow me at no cost to you other than travel. And for those of you who have not had the opportunity to go through Luxe Academy, I would love to invite you to join us online. I have a self-paced course that you could take anytime, any place, anywhere in the world, not just in the United States. And I also have payment plans available. And if you're more of a hands-on learner, then the hands-on opportunity may be a better fit for you. Our last course this year is going to be held October the 16th through the 18th, I believe. I will leave all of that information down in the description box below as well, so you can choose what plan best suits you. And remember, there are payment plans available for all of these options. Thank you all so much again for joining me on today's video. And thank you for being patient, and thank you for your support and your love and your prayers. I feel them. They mean so much to me. And I cannot wait to be joining you guys back very soon with a lot of updates. And so hopefully it won't take as long for me to get the next video out to you guys. But don't forget to vote down below what subject you would like to see me expand on outside of the warehouse. I know you guys want that content, and it's going to be coming. So what parties, what events, like what do you want to see from me this fall and winter? Let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!